Friends, this is Vikram Prasad Baliawala in America or USA. Please listen and watch this video. Thanks. Some questions about dog care and what is involved in dog care because I have not kept any dog, so I don't know. So could you tell what? By the way, friends, this may go on YouTube and I need her permission. Is it okay with you?
Yeah, sure.
So I'm curious just to know what is involved, how much money is involved in dog care, because a lot of people do not know.
Right.
And and so I'm curious to know. So what? Let us start from brushing of teeth and his hair grooming part.
So, part of, there is daily maintenance for dogs. Like you have a daily routine for the dogs, what you do with them in the morning, what you do with them in the evening. Then there is, as part of grooming, especially he being a standard poodle, we take him for grooming every 5 weeks. The first, we do a full groom. The first time we go for a groom, and then the second time it will be face, feet and fanny. So we rotate the grooming for him. And grooming involves, depending on what season, the groomers will clean his ears, the groomers will clean his teeth, they'll clean his, they'll clip his nails. So, all of that is part of, and then they'll give him a full shower every time we go. So, and then if he has any allergies, they give him medicated shampoo. So all of that adds to the cost.
How much approximately?
Usually depending on the groomer you go, it will be anywhere between $80-$90 to $120-$150.
So that's not bad. Each time.
But you're doing it every 5 weeks.
Every 5 weeks, I see.
Every 5 weeks. So yeah, and usually when I take it to one of the groomers, they do a very good job. It'll be
Do they clean the teeth too?
They clean, they brush his teeth. They brush his teeth. They brush his ears.
Ah.
Yeah. So sometimes some dogs actually have a lot of
Wax.
wax in the hair, and then he has given that he has seasonal allergies, he gets a lot of ear issues. So the groomers, the vet will also remove the hair, plug the hair from his ears. So that is part of his grooming. But part of what we do daily is, when we walk him, we go home and we wash his feet.
Uh-huh.
So every day, morning, evening, when he goes out, we bring him in. Given that he has seasonal allergies, we'll wash his feet. Then we'll give him a bath every 2 weeks.
Wow, at home.
At home.
Wow.
So we give him, we give him an oil bath.
Yeah.
And then, put oil on him, like either it can be some almond oil, coconut oil.
Uh-huh.
And then we give him, we soak him in oil, just like what we do with kids.
Wow.
We put oil on him.
And did you say that allergy testing cost over $6,000?
So when we went to, so we went and did all seasonal allergy test, and then we also did sebaceous adenitis test. So these tests
Almost 6,000.
are very expensive.
Wow.
Absolutely. जब हमारे पास small dog था, we would take the dog to the vet, right? And then अपना जो माली घर में है वही, they, because we are vegetarians, they would bring the bones and cook non-veg for them, right? But now, all the vets and all of this is very common. हाँ, अभी वो भी चेंज हो गया. अरे जब मैं छोटी थी ना, घर का खाना देते थे.
Correct.
थोड़ा सा चावल दे दो, थोड़ा सा दूध दे दो.
Correct.
अभी सब everybody buys the outside food, the dog food, and बहुत change हो गया इंडिया में भी.
Yeah.
But dogs are fun, but they are also expensive.
To keep.
But it's all fun.
Oh, sure.
I mean, there's nothing I wouldn't do for him.
Sure.
But now with the allergy seasons, when the allergy season comes, we have to give him Zyrtec every day.
Oh, wow.
So we have to put drops in his eyes. अरे जो अपने को करते हैं बस वही
Sure, sure. So thank you so much for explaining. Enjoy your dear dog. And
वो you know jojoba oil होती है ना, so I put that oil and then खाने में ना I put hemp oil on his food. So
wow.
I buy hemp oil, put it in the refrigerator.
Hemp.
For feeding him.
Oh.
So अगर मैं रोटी बनाई तो hemp oil उसके ऊपर डाल के
Wow.
देती हूँ. Sometimes like I'll put coconut like
Yeah,
bush
even
and
hemp
coconut.
seeds are very expensive.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hemp seeds. Very common. Very good for health.
They're supposed to be very
Yeah,
good for
yeah.
health.
Uh-huh.
You know, they are your omega-3 source like flax seeds.
Yeah,
And
flaxseed
then
too.
primrose oil.
Yeah.
So we give those. And he has arthritis, so we get him arthritis medicine.
Is that for the knee or
He has arthritis on both his knees.
Knees.
Or back legs.
yeah, looks like little
Yeah.
enlarged.
We actually got his CCL surgeries done on both his legs.
Ah. Yeah, I
On
remember
both
last
his-
last
पीछे
year or
वाले
something.
पाँव में.
Yeah.
So now he wants to go play with them.
Ah.
अगर अभी जाके हुई करेगा.
अच्छा ले जाइए उनको भी खेलने का मौका दीजिए. Wow.
चलो जी.
So again, it is okay if I can put it on YouTube.
Yeah, sure. Go
All
have fun.
right, and Facebook. Thank you so much.
Oh, so
प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब करें, शेयर करें, कमेंट करें. नमस्कार.